January 2015, Oceanário de Lisboa, Portugal, the largest project in Nature Aquarium history, begins. This is the world's largest 40-meter tank for a freshwater planted aquarium. The Aquascaper, Takashi Amano, is applying his energies to make it happen. The staff of Oceanário de Lisboa and about 40 professionals from across the world are working together. A frenzied 6th day of layout making begins. Oceanário de Lisboa is Europe's biggest marine aquarium. In 2013, an invitation came from one of the world-famous aquariums. They were requesting Takashi Amano to make a special exhibition tank for the new annex, which was due to open in April 2015. That was the beginning of this lifetime Nature Aquarium project. The aim of Nature Aquarium is to recreate the native environment and its aquascape by learning from nature. Although the concept of Nature Aquarium is well known in Europe, the task of building the 40-meter layout tank that represents full-scale nature remains a challenge. The principal inspiration for Amano was a beautiful nature in his hometown, which he thoroughly enjoyed as a child. Sadly, those places for little boy Amano disappeared because of human intervention as time progressed. He had a passion for the beautiful nature that had been lost. This is the root of Nature Aquarium, regardless whether the aquarium is small or large. Mr. João Falcato, the director of the aquarium, is one of those people who is fascinated by such Nature Aquarium. He had a passion to represent the global natural environment by showing the links between ocean, rivers, and forests through collaboration with the world-renowned artist Takashi Amano. Mr. Falcato's gushing devotion and Amano's sense of mission synergized to create the Nature Aquarium that connects the environment with people. Their vision was to convey the magnificence and meticulousness of nature. The entire balance of the layout adequately demonstrates a world where not only the fish, but a wide variety of life forms could survive together. The layout is almost like one symphony telling a story. A dream being created by all the people involved in the project, as if they were players in an orchestra.
水族館から、依頼されてもう1年半ぐらいずっとこのイメージを作ってきたんですけど、自分のイメージしたものより 200% 良くなったかなというふうに、喜んでいます。これもね、エーデサースだけじゃなくて、リスボン水族館のスタッフの皆さん、ボランティアのね、みんなのおかげだと思って、感謝してます。最後にはい、OK。はい。